Hello there. Now I'm going to teach you another AI video, and you heard me right. This is another AI video tutorial. As we all know, AI is the new thing right now. It's the trend, it's the future, it's what's happening, it's the hype. And might as well ride the hype, right? Now, this AI is called Credo. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And what does it do? It has actually a 4-in-1 feature. Let me just pull up my notes right here. You can pause a video and copy it. I have actually 4 parts that we can try later on. But this video is all about video generator, avatar, creation, copywriting, and text-to-speech. And as of now, if I'm not mistaken, it's still free. I don't know if when will it be, like there's a subscription per monthly. So might as well try it out as soon as possible, okay? Before we get started, I'm gonna ask you kindly to pull up your notepad. If you're watching via PC as I have right now, pull up your notepad. If you're watching via a tablet or a phone, pull up a pen and paper to write down the following steps so you can follow accordingly, okay? So let's get started. Please secure a Gmail, by the way, an active one that you have access to, because we're going to use that to create our account. So pull up any browser you have. I'm using Microsoft Edge as of now. If you have Google Chrome, Bing, Mozilla Firefox, that's perfectly fine, as long as you can access the internet, okay? So once you have your browser up and running, please access this website. Follow everything up to the point, even this last part right here, so you can get on this platform, okay? Once here, I want to click on create for free, because we're going to create an account first. Once done creating free, we're going to go back to the platform, okay? So welcome back. Click register right there, create an account. Let's make a nickname first. An email, please take note. Use an active email that you have access to, okay? We're just gonna create an account here. Please tick the agree button. I didn't see that one's so transparent, right? Sorry about that. Anyway, let's just check email, because this is very important to verify. Now give it a second. I'm just gonna log in my email right here. Now this should be my personal one. I'm gonna log in my dummy email. That's just why it's important you need to access your email, or you have an email that you can access to, because they're gonna ask for the code. Give me a second here. I'm just gonna click on that one, verify email. It's good. So that is actually done. I'm just gonna go back here, start creating, and perfect. This is the landing page of Credo. I'm very sorry if I'm really pronouncing this wrong, okay? Anyway, this is the landing page, and as you can see here, there's an oral broadcast video creation, AI marketing, copy generation or copywriting, AI text dubbing, AI model. I think this is a new one. AI smart outcut. That's nice. That's a new one. Anyway, you'll know you're in here. You know you log in if you can see your account on the top right. And please take note, this site or this platform is mainly on Chinese or on China, because I saw a translation earlier. Anyways, if you have your own in a different language, just transfer it or translate it by clicking right click, and then there should be a translate to English button right here. Again, if everything is still on Chinese or in different language, right click anything in the screen, or every part of the screen, or anywhere in the screen, right click, translate to English right there, okay? Now let's go on the first one. I have video creation right here, copywriting, picture creation. Now let's try picture creation first. I'm gonna try AI model. I'm not gonna click it right here. I'm just gonna click control and then choose, so I can go to the new tab right there. So as you can see here, I have upload images, or an upload image for generate, hair ties and bundles, fake model hairstyle. So from here on out, we need to upload an image first. So where can we get an image? You can have your own personal image, but on my end, I choose a sample. Right here, it's under my downloads tab. As you can see here, this is my sample right here. If it's needed, I'm going to use that one. Okay. So from here on out, as you can see here, the system generates a digital character model through model fake model picture uploaded by you. So you need to upload those hair, clothing, glass mannequins, and beauty models. To create a AI model, give it a few seconds to load, but as you can see here, the clothing and glass beauty mannequin are under construction. Okay? And we cannot really finish an AI model without these three. We cannot use only wig. We need to finish everything to create the full version of the AI model. So let's just go back on this feature. When it's done, we can just stay tuned. Try from day to day to check if it's done maintenance. Okay. Let's try copywriting now. Create a generate copy language type. Of course, we're gonna just English keywords. Let's say I'm gonna say ChatGPT because I love it so much. Then I'm gonna try in another one, English. Now please enter the description of the copy you want to generate. For example, Credo is the best AI video creation platform in the world. Let's try that. Credo is the best AI generation in the world. Generate a copy. And as you can see, you have three options right here to choose from. It's generating as we speak right now. Introducing ChatGPT, the cutting edge AI technology, on the middle one right here. Or you can choose this one right here on the very first part. As you can see here, since I choose ChatGPT in English, this one is mainly focused on ChatGPT and the grammatically correct an English language. Even though I choose English type here, I specifically input English to make it grammatically correct. Okay? Once it's done typing, you can just click on copy. Whatever answers you have, or which one do you like, just click on copy, paste it whatever you need to. Not satisfied with the result, click the button to continue generating more marketing copy. If you want more, just click on generate more. Now while waiting for the copy, let me just check my recording if I'm properly recording right there. Perfect. Now give it a second. So this is the copywriting feature of this Credo AI. Now since this is done, let's check on the other features, okay? Let's try video creation. So for video creation, just choose any AI here. Technically they're all free template preset. You can choose Euro, US, Asian, Japanese, Southeast Asian, India, Middle East. All the races are here. The gender is also here. Major, business, and follow. Let's just choose right here the default US one. Language type is right there. Let's just Jenny for the character voice. Language is, let's say, customer service. Okay. Let's say English. And then ChatGPT. Let's try that one, okay? So you can adjust the speech rate right here. You can decrease or just go to the neutral one. So you can also audition right here or generate video if you're good enough, okay? Let's try generating the video. Now, since this should be of a while, let's try listening first, okay?
English, ChatGPT.
Perfect. I heard you. I hope you heard that, guys. Let me just check here if I can grab that audio for you.
English, ChatGPT.
I really hope you heard that. Let's just generate the video right now. So 10 minutes will it take? Generate video right here. Now it should be processing right now for a while. You can just go back to it if you're done doing it. Just go back to it. Anyway, this is Credo. Those are the features, and for the creation of an AI, it's still under maintenance. Just go back to it when it's done. Now you had fun, so please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching.